Follow my voice. I'll tell you when to stop. Take small steps. Okay, stop. You're about to step down. Feel the railing? All right, you can feel it, okay? Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 steps. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, this is the last one. 9. And you're, all right, turn. All right, keep walking. Walk. Turn to your right. Keep walking straight. Keep going. There's not. Keep going. Psychology. Keep going. Keep walking. Keep going. Sir? Yes. Keep going. 3 more. Last one, and then you're on the floor.
Is the last one?
One more, and you're off the floor. There you go. That's the floor. All right. Keep walking straight. Keep walking straight. Turn to your right. Keep walking straight. Stop. Turn to your right. Keep walking. Take small steps. Keep going. Okay, stop. You're about to go down the stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can you go faster? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 from there. 6 from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the next one you take is the floor. There you go. Now turn right. Walk straight. Follow my voice. Follow my voice. Okay, stop. Turn to your right. Walk straight. Follow my voice. There's nothing in front of you. Keep walking.
There's no stairs?
Well, not yet. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking. I'll tell you when to stop. All right, stop. Take a little bit, one small step. Okay, you're going to start the stairs. That one's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in total. So that's 2, 3, 4, 6. The next one is the floor. There you go. All right, turn to your right. Keep walking straight. Walk straight. Keep walking. Everything is clear from now on. Can you try and walk faster? There's nothing in front of you. Anything. You're in an empty hallway. Oh, you don't trust me. Put your hands down. There's nothing. It's empty.
There's a locker here.
No, you're in the middle. You want to be in the middle of the hallway?
Yeah.
Take 2 steps to the left. 1, 2. There you go. You're in the middle. Just walk straight. Try to go faster. Just walk all the way to the end. Walk faster. You can do this. Don't put your hands up. Don't put your hands up. Try to go faster. Can you jog?
No, I'm scared to do that.
Okay, follow my voice. I'm at the end of the hallway. Okay, stop. Okay, now take a step to your left. Keep walking forward. Okay. Turn to your right. To your to your left. Keep walking straight. And again, just walk faster. You're in the middle of the hallway. There's nothing. Can you skip?
Is that?
What the-
That is scary.
No, but okay. Take 2 steps to the right. 1, 2. Okay. Keep walking straight. You're still not at the end of the hall. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. I'm going to try to make you walk. Okay, keep going. Keep going. In front of the cafeteria.
Ready?
Okay. Keep walking.